Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without using any software. So let's get started. Method number 1. Enable notification history. First go to settings on your iPhone, tap on notifications, look for the notifications history option and enable it. This feature will store notification allowing you to view messages preview even after they are deleted. Method 2. Open WhatsApp and go to settings, tap on chats, then select chat backup. This ensures that your chat backups are enabled. Ensure that your chat backups are enabled and performed regularly. If a backup was made before the messages were deleted, you can restore them by reinstalling WhatsApp and selecting the most recent backup from iCloud or Google Drive. And that's it. With this method, you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.